Y'all hear that? That's outside calling us. So come get creative with me so that we can hit these streets. Today I'm back with another Get Creative With Me video. This activity was inspired by a friend of mine who told me about the TikTok date jar trend, and so today we are making an artist date jar. Starting off with our supplies, you will need popsicle sticks, markers, and a jar. You know that we like to recycle over here, so if you have an old pasta sauce jar or something of the sort, please use that. And if you want to get fancy, you can use washi tape, construction paper, and additional supplies to decorate your jar like stickers and rhinestones. A link to all of these items is in the description box as well, and I'd like to let you know that if you purchase from those links, I'll receive a commission. But let's keep the smaller brands in existence and go to your local craft store to grab these things if you can. We're going to begin with preparing our jar so that it has enough time to cure if you want to get fancy with it. In a previous Get Creative With Me video, we made an affirmation jar and I offered different options to decorate your jar. You can check out that video for the different options. For myself, today I'm creating a sea glass illusion jar by using food coloring and Elmer's glue. Now, I am not going to lie to y'all. While I was painting, I was like, baby, this looks a mess. But this is an opportunity where you have to learn to trust the process because the outcome, absolutely loved. Okay, so in addition to being inspired by TikTok, I was also inspired by the book The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron. If you have never heard of The Artist's Way, it's a guide to help creatives experience continuous creative flow. And if you'd like to check it out, the link is in my description box. One way in which she encourages us to exercise our creative muscle is through artist dates, in which we dedicate time to have play dates with ourselves as a way of exploring our creativity. So, you creating your own artist date jar will support you in nurturing your own creative superpowers. While that dries, let's get our artist dates in order. To start, identify what barriers may exist that will prevent you from having your routine artist dates, and identify what can help you overcome such barriers. Use that to create 3 to 4 different categories to divide your artist dates into. Using myself as an example, in the book, an artist date is identified as an activity that promotes self-intimacy and that should be done alone. As a mom, life can be unpredictable, and I might not always have the luxury to do an artist date alone. So I've created a list of artist dates that I can do with my mini-me, or ones that I can simply do at home. Other ideas could be that inflation is real and you want to save coins, so you make a list of things that you can do for free. Or maybe you're new in a city and you haven't learned much about it, so you create and explore the city list. You catch my drift? For me, I'm operating out of 4 different categories. 1, create artist dates I can do with others. 2, artist dates that I can do at home. 3, artist dates trying something new because I need to add some spice to my life. And 4, mindful artist dates because I appreciate time to slow down and reconnect with the present. I'd recommend having 5 to 10 ideas for each category. The artist date is whatever you feel will creatively invigorate you. That could be going to the movies, trying new foods, re-engaging with a hobby, or doing something you haven't done before. There's no right or wrong way to define what is an artist date for you. You are always welcome to add more as time passes. After devising your list, you're going to create a different design for each category with your popsicle sticks. You could use colored popsicle sticks to represent each category. For myself, I used the natural colored popsicle sticks and I used washi tape. So let's get to decorating these sticks and writing down these artist date ideas. A hack is that if you have a printer and prefer to have them typed, you can make a list of your artist dates on your computer, print and cut them out, and then tape them onto your popsicle sticks. For myself, I use the permanent markers, but one thing I will highlight for you all is that the permanent marker will bleed on the popsicle stick. So if you think you would have trouble reading them, that's something that I would highly recommend. One idea that I have for an artist date is tending to one of my strengths, which is a love for learning. I have a Skillshare membership and I really enjoy taking a class to learn a new skill. I have a link offering you a free month down below if you're interested, and that means I'll get a free month too. If you're struggling with what artist dates to implement, no worries. I've created a list of 50 artist dates you can choose from, and they may even inspire you to develop new ideas on what an artist date could look like, or identify a new category for yourself. Another artist date that I am implementing is that we recreate fast food meals at home. So I'm using a recycled spice jar to create tags of different foods to make, like a Chipotle salad bowl or Taco Bell French fries, so that I have something new each time that I pull for this stick. And I have an amazing artist date for you all. Come join me on August 19th, 2023 at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the first installation of the Creative Healing Series. This series is dedicated to immersing ourselves into the power of artistry and wellness by showcasing a creative's work and utilizing it as inspiration for our own wellness. This time around, I have the honor of presenting to you all an amazing short documentary entitled Best Friends Not Forever, which uncovers the grief associated with friendship breakups. After watching the film, we'll have a discussion with the talented director, Diamond Williamson, and I'll also engage you all in a mindfulness experience to get your creative juices flowing. I've created an amazing workbook to support your journey after the event, and I've also prepared these amazing BFF recovery kits, which are self-care boxes that will be shipped directly to your door. I've got a code for you all to get up to 20% off of your ticket with CNLPC. So click the link in the description box to get your tickets now. You can create a note for yourself in your phone to remember what each category stands for, or you can use construction paper to create a key of what each design means. I took mine up a level and I laminated my key and used tape to add it to my jar. I did intend on using my museum glue stickers, but child, I could not find out where they were. And if you wanted to add some additional decorations to your jar, baby, this is the time to do so. I decided to add a cute little bow to mine. And now that you have all of your artist states written out and your jar designed, voila, you are complete. Whether it be once a month, once a week, or bi-weekly, create a sustainable artist state practice for you. If you're watching the premiere and you made it this far, congratulations. You may be the winner of a Let's Grow ticket for the Creative Healing Series Volume 1 event. This is a one-time use code, so the first person who is able to utilize the code GCWM into the Eventbrite link below will have the opportunity to receive a ticket to the event along with a BFF recovery kit shipped directly to your door. And for our second viewer, I've got a code for you too. Use code TCHS1 to get your free Let's Heal ticket, which includes a customized workbook along with an exclusive DJ mix created just for this event. I am so thankful to you all for watching this video, and I hope that I see you at the Creative Healing Series Volume 1 on August 19th. Please, if you did not win any of the giveaways, make sure that you use the code CNLPC to obtain a discount on your ticket, and I'll see you soon.